Anya Taylor-Joy and Miles Teller are two of the most sought-after actors in Hollywood, with a packed slate of projects that spans across genres and scales. We got an exclusive opportunity to chat with them about the pressures and excitement of juggling such demanding careers. Anya confirmed her involvement in the highly anticipated Dune Messiah, a project shrouded in secrecy but brimming with potential. Miles gave us some exciting tidbits about the possibility of the Top Gun 3, reigniting the excitement of fans worldwide, and also offered a glimpse into his upcoming role as Michael Jackson's lawyer, a complex and intriguing character in a highly anticipated biopic. But what is particularly interesting is that even with these massive established projects vying for their attention, they both made time for something entirely new and original: The Gorge. This action thriller clearly stood out from the crowd, capturing their imaginations and offering a unique creative opportunity. What was it about The Gorge that made it an irresistible must-do project amidst their already incredibly hectic schedules? What makes this original story so compelling? Find out this in this exclusive interview. This is a summary of an interview with actors Miles Teller and Anya Taylor-Joy about their upcoming film The Gorge. The Gorge, this Apple Plus film directed by Scott Derrickson, known for The Black Phone and Doctor Strange, features Teller and Taylor-Joy as special operatives on opposing sides of a dangerous divide. They are instructed not to contact each other. The film is described as genre-bending and entirely original. Both actors were drawn to the original concept and the opportunity to work together. They have been friends for a long time. Taylor also connected with the characters' isolation and the emotional toll of their work, drawing parallels to his friends in the military. A dance scene set to a Yeah 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 song proved surprisingly difficult. A complex camera move requiring Wi-Fi in the soundstage caused significant delays, taking almost entire day to film just one shot. Taylor-Joy confirmed she is part of the Dune sequel and is very excited, but couldn't reveal any details about her role. Taylor said he will be among the first to know if a third Top Gun film is officially happening, and that Tom Cruise will give him time to get back into shape. Taylor plays Michael Jackson's lawyer, John Branca, in Antoine Fuqua's biopic. He is excited about the film and praised Jafar Jackson's portrayal of Michael as uncanny. He anticipates the film being a rock show. Taylor-Joy is producing and starring in a limited series with Hello Sunshine. She enjoys the opportunity to be involved in the production side. Taylor also wrapped an A24 film called Eternity with a very unique concept. Taylor will be filming a remake of An Officer and a Gentleman next year. Taylor-Joy collects rocks as mementos from different locations. Taylor joked that he collects everything. Both actors prioritize the original and exciting projects that feel worthwhile, especially given the time commitment involved. The Gorge is set to be released in cinemas on February 24, 2025.